The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name's Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and today we're going to answer a viewer question: can hospital blood tests be used as evidence in a DUI case? The short answer is yes, but we're going to provide a little bit of nuance and context to the answer. So if you are arrested for a DUI and the police think there's a chance that you need medical attention, they don't want to be sued, so they're going to take you straight away to an emergency room. And this might be because of injuries from a car accident, but it might also be just from the level of alcohol they believe to be in your blood. So at an emergency room, the first thing that most emergency rooms will do is take blood and urine samples, and the reason they do this is to see how much alcohol you have in your blood, or if you have other drugs in your blood, or if you have some other sort of pre-existing condition that affects their treatment. So almost uniformly, if you go to the emergency room, you're going to get a blood test. Now, most people think that these blood tests are protected from being used as evidence by the police based on HIPAA. HIPAA is a statute that essentially says that medical professionals have to keep your health records secret from third parties unless you provide consent to disclose them. However, an exception to HIPAA is when law enforcement has an individual in custody and they subpoena their medical records in order to prove their case. So in those situations, medical professionals have to turn over health records to law enforcement. So HIPAA doesn't really apply to this scenario, and the blood test that you have at the emergency room can be used as evidence in your DUI case. Now, there's a little bit more nuance here. The blood test results have to be proven to have been conducted in the regular course of providing emergency medical care. So this means that it can't be at the request of law enforcement. If you can show that the blood test was only taken because law enforcement asked the doctor to take the blood test in order to prove the case, then that won't be as admissible as evidence in court. The other little wrinkle is that police aren't allowed to just take you to the emergency room in order to get a blood test taken. So you have to actually be injured, and if you can show that they didn't have a reasonable belief that you needed medical treatment and they just took you to the emergency room to circumvent the law requiring consent to chemical testing, then you may be able to get the test results thrown out. Finally, the type of tests that happen in the emergency room are different from the type of chemical testing that occurs by the police, so there's some conversion necessary in order to prove that you actually had a blood alcohol content that would be that would put you at risk of a DUI. So there may be a little bit of wiggle room and expert testimony that may be able to show that the conversion wasn't accurate and that it's not apples to apples. So if you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments section below this post at learn-about-law.com or below the video on our YouTube station. If you found this helpful and you'd like to be informed of our daily article and video topics that we publish, you can subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, and iTunes. If you need some help, feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in most areas of law, and we have offices all around Chicagoland for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week, and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com, and visit Making Real Estate Fun for real estate videos and podcasts. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.